Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of initially. First. For example, initially, he thought the new concept was nonsense. American pronunciation. Initially. Initially. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Initially. Say. Initially. Initially means, at first. Initially. Initially. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The groups had initially considered paying increased rent to cover the shortfall. Now, repeat after me. The groups had initially considered paying increased rent to cover the shortfall. The second practice. The presentation had initially been planned to announce the results of the report. Now, repeat after me. The presentation had initially been planned to announce the results of the report.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.